Hi guys! Welcome to my channel Chewy Choco. Sharing now the life here in Italy, especially when we got sick. I will share to you how we're gonna make some remedies for our cough, and let's see and how it works and being tested. Okay guys, here is now the procedure on how to make this amazing remedy for a cough. And you can do this in your home. It's very simple and it really helps guys, because I've been doing this many times when I got a cough. Just a very simple step. The only thing you have to prepare is one or two or more orange fresh. Then you have to squish it and to make a juice. And then the juice guys, you have to just continue watching guys what I'm doing here. I'm preparing the juice by squeezing it. Okay guys, just watch it very well so that you can do this in your home. You may use even one orange guys to make a juice, but if you have two or more orange, it's better. Okay guys, just see what's next I'm doing here. I prepare a small casserole to put the orange juice, ready to warm this for about 10 minutes guys. And see, I put a pinch of salt or a half teaspoon of salt before I'm going to warm this in the heat. Okay guys, just watch this one. I just warm this orange juice with the salt. Take note guys, don't let this orange juice to boil. Just a few minutes guys, just to warm the orange guys, and drink this after about 10 minutes guys, and see the effect of this amazing natural remedy of the warm orange juice for cough. Before I end my video guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this my video, and I hope you will do this in your home. Okay guys, just continue watching. I am not done with this procedure. Okay guys, it's already a bit warm. After 10 minutes, I'm going to drink this one, and it's very good guys, and it's it tastes not so good because it has a salt. But guys, you know what, after 3 days guys, I drink this one for 2 times a day guys. I feel better with my cough, and it really helped guys. Okay guys, don't forget to do this in your home. It's a very simple remedy. It's a simple tips for cough guys. Thank you for watching guys.